Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 and this is the premium all-wheel drive and that is running smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Alright, you see that it does have the fog lights up front. Alloy wheels. Also has a sunroof. See, it does have gray fabric seats, cargo cover, a lot of space down in there. Those seats are super clean. Doesn't even look like they've been sat in, to be honest. Okay, as we look down here, you see the VIN, and I will upload some still photos as well, so I know you want to go back and review some of this. All right, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 66,641 miles on this vehicle, and then you've got your, here we go, your paddle shifters, and then your push to talk, your cruise control, your stereo controls. As you come over here, you'll see up top you have your, it's actually an extension of your trip computer, plus you have the temperature displayed up there and the time. See that it does have AM, FM. There we go. You see that it also has Bluetooth. If you want to see the backup camera, throw it in reverse. Okay, you can also, instead of just touch screen, you can use that as well. Then you have your comfort controls and your shifter, your X mode, heated front seats, and your cup holders. And then you have additional spots back in here. That's for your auxiliary port, your USB, and 12 volt. Come on over here, lockable glove compartment, and you have a compass in the mirror. And then as you come over here, you've got your controls for your sunroof and your map reading lights. All right, and that about wraps it up for this Subaru on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's some damage there on the front passenger quarter panel. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.